Welcome. In this video I will tell you about some things that you could have not known that your Samsung the Frame TV could do. First of all, did you know that you could single-handedly enhance your device's sound volume by going to all settings, selecting sound and changing sound mode to Amplify. This will use more of your device's power, but it will make the sound much louder. And it will also in a loud environment you may want to enable the amplified sound mode. And in expert settings you can also enable auto volume if you want to safely switch between channels and not being worried about some channel being louder than the other one. This way not only does it work for channels but for video sources, so you can even change to your other source, to your game console, and the sound will always stay the same. So you shouldn't worry about sound rapidly changing when you're changing your volume. You can also manually adjust sound volume using Equalizer by adjusting the sliders inside this menu, so that you can adjust your sound volume for both of the speakers of your device. And you probably knew that using this Q-Symphony setup feature, you can set up a Samsung speaker for your device, so that your TV speaker and this speaker are working simultaneously, which is a great feature. But what if you have a not Samsung speaker? You can still connect it to play with your device by going to General and Privacy and selecting Accessibility menu, and in Accessibility menu navigate down to Multi-Output Audio. Enable this feature, and now you can connect any speaker to your device and hear the sound from both your speaker and your TV at the same time. Yeah, that's pretty cool, but I don't know why they actually had to put it into this menu. However, in the accessibility menu you can also use See Colors mode and select a specific type of color blindness to adjust colors on your TV for a color blind person. And besides, here, did you know that you could let's go to the picture, as we already talked about sound. Well, in picture I would want to let you know how you can actually enable the blue light filter on your TV. Basically, there is no native feature for that. Maybe there is an app for it in the store, I didn't check honestly, but still you can do it yourself by adjusting the settings. First of all, enable the movie mode, then go to expert settings, and now here, first of all, let's adjust the color tone by going to the color tone menu, and here enable the warm to color tone. Then also go to white balance, choose 2 point, and then decrease your B gain to the point where you're still comfortable with using your device. Well, basically decreasing the B gain will actually decrease the blue light from your TV, so this way this is basically how you adjust your blue light filter on your TV. And that's pretty cool, since there is no native setting. You can still easily adjust your colors to create a blue light filter on your device. And now let's go to General and Privacy, and no, not General and Privacy, but Sport. And here you have something called Device Care, which will optimize your device's work in just one click. So basically you can click Start Device Care and then let this feature do everything for you to make your device work faster and smoother. Now click Done, and we have 2 remaining issues, which are related to power consumption, I think. And also you can enable maintenance mode. So if you request a repair due to some problem on your TV, you can enable maintenance mode to hide your information and then let, for example, the Samsung customer support worker take care of your device. And the last thing I wanted to tell you about is the hidden menu that you can easily access on your TV by using a combination of keys, which is the mute button, up, down, OK. Mute, up, down, OK will open the hospitality mode menu. And here you can enable the hospitality mode pressing the right button and then press return to open the list of all the available settings that you can find in this menu, like power on settings, menu on-screen display settings, music mode settings, external source, echo solution, and cloning settings. Now, to apply changes in this mode, you have to hold down the power button to make your device turn off and then turn it on in a moment. But that's basically all the features I wanted to tell you about in this video, so thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.